Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an image carousel to your hosting or website. This feature is perfect for showcasing multiple images in a sleek, interactive format that will make your website more engaging. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Hostinger homepage. Take a moment to explore the layout. It's designed to make website management straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're ready, click on My Account to access your personalized dashboard. Logging in gives you full control over your hosting services, website management, and content editing options. From your account dashboard, navigate to the Home section. This page provides an overview of your hosting tools and helps you access the features you need to manage your website efficiently. Within this section, click on Website, which will take you to the Website Management area. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you currently have hosted under your account. Select the website where you want to add the image carousel. After choosing the right site, click on Edit Website. This opens the website editor, allowing you to adjust your site's layout, add new sections, and update content without starting from scratch. Inside the website editor, look for the Add Sections option. Clicking this will display a menu of different content modules you can add to your pages. From the list, select Gallery. This module is specifically designed to display images and is perfect for creating a carousel effect. This gives you full control over the images in your carousel. You can upload new images, arrange them in the desired order, and configure display settings to match your website's style. Take your time to choose high-quality images and set the order for a smooth, professional-looking carousel. And that's it. You've successfully added an image carousel to your hosting or website, giving it a more dynamic and visually appealing look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.